Take a ride in the 2018 Express 3500. Chevrolet Express 3500 passenger and cargo vans do exactly what they are supposed to: allow you to transport, haul, tow, and work like you need to. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.